turns the night today. Trade winds whisper to the palm trees. This is the land of Isolé. At dusk, the throng of a lolly drifts soft as a lost wave in flight. Oh, tell me who you are holding out there in the warmth of the night.
Sa Susana Moroivalu Ovalau, Susana Kalau, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. It is my privilege this morning to join you all and be part of this most memorable occasion. Today marks the official day of the commemoration of Fiji Day 2018. As a nation, we celebrate our unique existence together with our religious and cultural diversity, resembling a sense of unity and tolerance for one another, which are a cornerstone for a strong multicultural society. This is the second consecutive year that government has decided to shift the main venue for the national celebration away from Suva. Last year it was celebrated in Nandi town. This year it has shifted to the Northern Division, showing government commitment to include everyone in all government-driven initiatives and functions. This, however, does not lessen the importance of other centers which will also be part of such initiative in future. For the old capital of Fiji, here in Levuka, Fiji Day celebration is an annual event celebrated with enthusiasm and patriotism because of its significance to its people. It was here 144 years ago, the chiefs of Fiji, led by Ratu Seru Dhakombau, ceded Fiji to Great Britain. Ladies and gentlemen, we have come a long way since independence. And this year, we celebrate our 48th year as a sovereign nation. This is a remarkable achievement in itself and should be celebrated extensively by all. The theme for Fiji Day celebration is progressing together, leaving no Fijian behind. The theme resonates well government's intention, ensuring that all Fijians are equally involved and benefiting in the development of the nation. More so, this is in line with government's 20-year National Development Plan for Fiji to be a developed country and hub of the Pacific region. As a small island developing state, our global footprints far outweighs our contribution to the international community. Nevertheless, we have held ourselves confidently amongst bigger and more developed nations. This is evident in government's leadership roles in various committees, such as G77, COP23, and the UN General Assembly, to name a few. Government is committed to its regional and international development partners who have assisted us in our times of need, particularly on humanitarian support. Government programs and plans to address this are in place and will effectively assist Fijian communities before and after natural disasters during the rehabilitation process. We wish to assure you all that this government is for the people. Initiative put in place by the government to ensure that development and assistance accommodates each individual across the country. This includes agricultural assistance through Fiji Development Bank, small and medium enterprises and housing assistance for first home buyers, such initiatives that are currently ongoing. Improvement in other sectors of governance, such as health, social welfare, will be revamped to effectively address the needs of the disadvantaged in society. Ladies and gentlemen, Fiji Day celebration is a time not only for celebration, but also a time of remembrances, reflecting on the tumultuous period of our history that we have passed. It is a day for unity and progressing together as one, and most importantly, celebrating our shared history as a nation. A period that we hope will not be repeated as we progress together to be a developed, modern, and multicultural society. Ladies and gentlemen, I urge everyone to come and participate in the organized programs here in Levuka. On that note, it is my most humble pleasure to officially open the Fiji Day celebration in the old capital of Levuka. And may God bless you all.
Grabe chuko na songo ni Fiji Day celebration. Bimbi weekend na leweviti mbaleta ni may viso teki na Kennedy Division na nandamati. Ya bimbi talaga ako na matintu na nomunimbula na Leoni Corvuli sa kemni nangonebuli and Nora Fresha School for Special Education and nabuko ni Division na nomunimbula. Kaya ni nasarabakina na matakanikuwa arla ko chugumay na turang ambali ni puno ba turang ako lang arla ko tal chungama na liu ni waswas wala may bit chugun na awla ko chugumoya we na pukun matin tu ara chugun na vales ni na ulutang levo na siganikuwa na toso viti me kunindua engule tanki. Unga nangauna inda sarabala non tambula na visinga ninda ngule dai. Okay. Ia, au na kata me waretaka na singa ni kuana maten tu sen.